Imagine this. You're sitting down for lunch. The smell of freshly grilled hot dogs wafts through the air, and as you reach for that tangy jar of honey mustard, something piques your curiosity. Have you ever wondered how this bold, golden condiment came to be? How did a handful of tiny seeds turn into the flavorful spread that pairs perfectly with your sandwich, dip, or salad? Today, we peel back the layers and take you deep into the fascinating world of mustard production, a journey that begins in sun-drenched fields and ends on your plate with a burst of flavor you probably take for granted. This isn't just a factory tours, it's a behind-the-scenes adventure into chemistry, agriculture, and culinary artistry, all packed inside one humble bottle of mustard. Our story begins in the sprawling mustard fields, where nature's brilliance quietly brews. Beneath the surface, these vibrant plants are cultivated across the globe, Canada, India, and parts of Europe being the major players in the game, and the secret to their power: tiny seeds. Don't let their size fool you. These black, brown, and yellow orbs each offer their own punch. Black seeds bring deep, spicy notes. Brown seeds deliver a medium heat that lingers, and yellow seeds, the ones most familiar to us, contribute that signature golden hue and a mild, tangy bite. It's a trifecta of flavor diversity, and farmers know just how to harness it. The cycle begins in late winter or early spring, depending on the region. Precision is everything here. Farmers don't simply scatter seeds and hope for the best. Instead, they use advanced seed drills, machines designed to bury each seed at the perfect depth and space. Why? Because mustard plants demand room to grow and consistent conditions. Given the right setup, the seeds germinate rapidly, and in just a matter of days, tiny green seedlings emerge, eager to meet the sun. Within a few weeks, the fields transform into a sea of green leaves topped with vibrant yellow flowers, a paradise for pollinators. These bees and insects are essential because they set the stage for the next crucial step, the development of seed pods. About 3 to 4 months after planting, the plants signal they're ready. The seed pods turn a golden brown, drying on the stalk, whispering to the farmers that harvest time has arrived. This moment, though seemingly simple, is the result of months of careful observation, patience, and nurturing. With perfect timing, most mustard farmers employ combines, massive machines that harvest the entire plant, shake out the seeds, and return the leftover plant material back to the soil as organic matter. It's a full-circle process that respects both the crop and the land. Once harvested, the seeds begin the next leg of their journey, processing. And trust us, this part is just as riveting. At the mill, the seeds are cleaned and sorted to remove everything that doesn't belong: soil, pebbles, even bits of the original plant. Sophisticated machinery equipped with sieves, air blowers, and magnets takes care of the dirty work. The goal: perfection. Only the best seeds continue through the line. What follows is perhaps the most crucial step: crushing. Every mustard seed hides within it a burst of flavor and natural oil, but to unlock it, you have to crack the code literally. Industrial grinders crush the seeds into coarse pieces, turning them into mustard powder. At this point, it's still far from the mustard you know and love. Here's where the science really kicks in. These crushed seeds are then mixed with a liquid: water, vinegar, or sometimes even wine. This isn't just about creating a paste. This is controlled chemistry. When liquid meets seed, enzymes activate, breaking down glucosinolates to produce that bold heat and complex aroma we associate with mustard. The real magic lies in the details. Want something spicy? Use cold water. Prefer something smooth and mild? Go with warm water instead. Temperature changes the very character of the mustard, but flavor isn't just about temperature, it's also about ingredients. Once the basic paste is formed, factories experiment with all sorts of additions: spices, herbs, sweeteners, and more. This is where the humble mustard becomes a creative playground. Think honey mustard with its perfect blend of sweet and sharp, or spicy brown mustard with an earthy kick. Ever heard of Dijon? It hails from Dijon, France, and substitutes white wine for vinegar to bring a sophisticated zing that elevates everything from charcuterie boards to gourmet sandwiches. With the flavor perfected, the mustard undergoes pasteurization, a process that gently heats the mixture to kill off bacteria and ensure a long shelf life. It's a crucial step that balances safety with taste, preserving the essence of the mustard while making it safe for consumption worldwide. And then comes the final transformation: packaging. This phase is an engineering marvel in its own right. State-of-the-art bottling lines take over, filling jars and squeeze bottles at lightning speed. Hundreds of containers are filled, sealed, and labeled every minute, each one identical in weight, taste, and appearance. It's a testament to modern efficiency and quality control. What once grew in the soil now gleams on a conveyor belt, ready to head off to grocery store shelves across the globe. But mustard's journey doesn't end there. In fact, the best part is still to come when it hits your taste buds. Mustard is one of the most versatile condiments ever created. Whether you prefer it sweet, smoky, sharp, or fiery, there's a mustard out there for you. Slather it on burgers, use it as a dip for pretzels, mix it into salad dressings or barbecue sauces. It's endlessly adaptable and undeniably essential. And perhaps next time you reach for that bottle, you'll do so with newfound appreciation. Because now you know it's not just a condiment, it's the result of months of farming, delicate chemistry, clever engineering, and a whole lot of flavor innovation. From field to factory to fork, mustard's story is one of precision and passion. So, what's your favorite kind of mustard? Are you loyal to classic yellow, or do you enjoy the punch of spicy brown? Maybe you're a Dijon devotee or a honey mustard enthusiast. Whatever your pick, one thing is certain: mustard is far more than meets the eye. It's the golden thread tying together flavors and cultures, meals and memories. We hope you've enjoyed this flavorful journey. If you did, let us know by liking the video, sharing it with your food-loving friends, and subscribing to the channel for more deep dives into the foods you love but never really thought about. Because behind every jar, every bottle, and every bite, there's a story worth telling, and we're here to tell it.